Yeah, it's okay. So I'm gonna play a few songs on this uke. Starting with something I wrote myself. And if you have been in Singapore the last few days, I'm sure you have. And you notice how much rain we've been getting. And so, based on that, I didn't write this very recently. I wrote this like, I think late last year or something. But it was raining a lot back then too. So I decided, you know what, it's raining so much, I might as well write about it, That's what singers, songwriters do, we write about stuff that goes on with life, not just love, also about the weather and, crap day or something like that, So this song is about a rainy day and hope you enjoy it.